Here we are at the Holy Cross Church of Holyoke, Massachusetts. This was finished in the year 1927. It's a gorgeous church. Its 100th anniversary is coming up very soon. About 10 years ago, the name of the parish changed to Our Lady of the Cross Parish, but the name of the church in the Catholic religion never changes, so it's still the Holy Cross Church. You can see there's a very stout look to it, but it's made in the Gothic style mostly. If you go inside, it's a very large volume church, and it's beautiful to see one of the masses in here, and the music is very fine. It's in a great neighborhood of Holyoke, and we'll go see some of it. So we'll walk down the sidewalk. See in front of you is a small chapel alongside the back right of the Holy Cross Church. Now, why they put the church here? Well, look in the distance, in between the trees. You see Holyoke City Hall in the distance. And they had great views here. Remember that when they put the first church up here, the Mission Church, in 1903, there was no trees up here. Right? So all these trees were gone. There was also no apartment blocks, because the urban center was down by the Gritter Streets. This was just above it, and so there was no trees, no houses or apartments. You would have seen a great view of City Hall, also a great view of the canals. And who came up with the idea to put everything up there? Well, the priest down of St. Jerome's loved this area so much. Their second priest home is in the distance from here, and so you get a great view of everything up here. In the foreground is the Kennedy Memorial, and that'll be one of our stops too. Thank you for coming on this tour.